Welcome back to my channel, where we share quick and powerful tips to level up your Excel game. Today, I've got an amazing trick that will save you time and effort when working with large numbers in Excel. Have you ever needed to type numbers like 100, 10,000, or even 1 million? Typing all those zeros can be a hassle, right? Well, here are 2 quick tips using scientific notation and asterisk keys that makes it super easy. Instead of typing out all the zeros, you can simply use the letter E to represent powers of 10. For example, if you want to type 100, you can just type 1E2. That's the number 1 followed by the letter E and the power of 10 you want. Excel will automatically convert 1E2 into 100. Want to type 10,000? Just type 1E4, and for 1 million, type 1E6. It's that simple. And here's the best part. Excel does all the formatting for you, so you don't have to worry about counting zeros ever again. The second tip is to use the asterisk key. Similarly, type a number and an asterisk character twice, then the number of zeros. For example, if you want to generate 10,000, type 1, then asterisk twice, then 4, since 10,000 got 4 zeros. Then hit Enter, and the Excel will immediately return you the number you prefer to type. This trick also works for really small numbers. For instance, if you type 1E3, Excel will display 0.001. That's 1 divided by 10 to the power of 3. This is super useful for anyone working with scientific data, financial models, or any spreadsheet where large or small numbers are common. It's quick, efficient, and makes your spreadsheets look clean and professional. So, there you have it. A simple yet powerful Excel tip to save you time and effort. If you found this helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel for more awesome Excel tips, and hit that notification bell so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Happy Excelling!